greetings. Eric Backer, the naturopath from down the bottom of the world, from New Zealand. Thanks for tuning in. I have a question here from a subscriber, Habiba Ibrahim. Sounds like a Jewish person. Shalom, my friend, shalom. Hello, I want to ask you, when I take a tablet of CanXida Remove and CanXida Restore, one in the morning and one in the night, when should I take CanXida Rebuild? Help me, please, I'm confused. Okay, let's go over this again. I've spoken a few times now about the CanXida supplementation, about when to take them and what to take, how many to take, for example. Please be sure to look at the playlists of CanXida. Okay, you'll find playlists on this channel regarding CanXida supplements, but each CanXida supplement has got its own playlist where you can look at multiple videos I've spoken about those supplements. So do check those out, okay? So CanXida Remove normally is taken twice per day in most cases. Some people take it once, some people take it 3 times. Twice a day is generally enough. So if you're going to do it long term, 1 tablet. If you're going to do it short term, 3 tablets. But 1 tablet, usually twice per day with meals, is good. Can either be breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's your choice. Breakfast and dinner are usually good times to take Remove. Restore is a capsule. So the capsule I usually recommend you take with breakfast, if you're going to take 2 per day, and then take 1 before bed. And the before bed one means you're going to take it away from food, which is important. Okay? If you're going to take it really for things like bad Candida, constipation, or diarrhea, and want more of a powerful effect on the gut, take 3 per day with meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, you can do that short term for 4 to 6 weeks. It should work quite well for you. If you're going to take CanXida Restore long term, I recommend 1 per day, sometimes 2 if it's chronic. And again, take 1 with a meal and take the other one away from a meal. So you're targeting 2 particular types of therapeutic angles, and you'll see in the other videos I talk about that. So what about CanXida Rebuild? That's the multivitamin. What do you do with Rebuild? Well, Rebuild is best taken, again, either lunch or dinner. Take with food, always with food. Take 1 per day. They can be a bit big for some people, but they break up quite easily. I didn't put lots of binders and fillers and junk in with this tablet. I want it to be quite a pure, high quality product. So can be a little bit chunky and loose, but that's okay. It easily blends in with food. And consider it a food, so consume it with your food, okay? 1 per day is normally all you need. If you're very unwell or sick or need a good boost, 2 per day is going to work better for you, 1 twice per day. So there you have it. Remove, restore, rebuild. They work very well together indeed. Most people will take these products anywhere between 1 month up to about 3 months, sometimes 6 months. I've got some patients who've been unwell for 15 to 20 years that have been on the CanXida products now for 18 months, and they're still improving. It can take a long time to get better if you've been sick for a long, long time. So there you have it, Habiba. Thank you very much for your question. Shalom.